We are back with another stream. How's it going, everybody? How you all feeling? Is everything good? Are you crushing it or are you killing it? What are you doing? What's poppin'? What the hell was that? Sometimes the music on cool mode files is super weird. I'm using, once again, my website for playing music, and it's sometimes weird. Wow, this is really disturbing. All right, how's it going, everybody? What's poppin'? Friday night, sorry, Friday evening probably right now for most of y'all. 0 people watching. That means I'm just talking to myself. But it's all good. I'm gonna check something real quick. Give me a second. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna dive into it. So what are we doing? I saw this project. I think it was called KTY, right? Oh wait. I always forget this. I need to enable Dark Reader before every stream. So I saw this project and wait, did the theme just change to light, or what happened there? Was it black? Hold on, am I seeing things, or what happened? Give me a second, I'm gonna check actually. Oh, okay, so alright, that makes sense. For a second I thought that I was hallucinating or something. Pump it down, suckers. What a track name, dude. So, I saw this little GIF that they have, and I think it was on this one. Did you see it? There's one transition that is super cool. Like, what is going? How do you make that happen? So, I basically want to steal that. Not steal, but like I want to have that in my app. So we're gonna take a look at that together right now. Got a message, hold on. Alright, everything is cool, everything is good. I don't see the statistics or like analytics of the stream. I need to check that on my phone. Give me a second. So right now we are live, right? And also, like, why does it take so much time to clone it? What am I cloning, bro? Oh wait. Alright, so I try to clone again. Should be kind of faster, I think. What the hell? what this song is, but it's super cool. Well, this is not one of my newest musics, but never had been played at a party. Hope you like it. This tune was inspired by DJ Tiesto's outstanding mix called Magic. Alright, you know what? I feel like going into this a bit, so I'm gonna actually search for it. Or maybe I can just play this, but I think I'll get copyrighted. Okay, anyways, I'm not gonna play it. Alright, so I wanna check out how this works. I think this is a TUI app. It's not like a oh my god, how many Jesus. How many dependencies does this thing have? But Ratatouille is one of them, right? And I want to see how they render the animation, so maybe I can find it by doing something like or searching for next tab or something. Next where does this thing happen? I'm really curious. So it should, if I got this correctly, this is a tab, right? This is so when you do this, I mean, it's not the tab widget that is in the Ratatouille. It's, I think something custom, but still it looks like a tab, so I'm guessing it should be called tab. So I'm gonna just maybe jump into this. Well, this project is super big, so I'm just gonna stop Rust Analyzer. I don't wanna build everything in this project, so just stop it, please. Do not run the LSP on this one for once. Actually, I'm gonna repeat this. Okay, so how does it make the animation loading? Okay, maybe this is it. No, I don't think it's not. It's not that. What is it? What is it? Graph. No, do not build this thing, please, LSP. Do not. Alright, so do you have a custom backend? I mean, apparently they have it. That's I don't know why they needed it, but okay. Alright, I really need to find that thing. So I think I have it installed on my machine right now. How do I start it? Let's see the docs. Okay, do I need to install this on my cluster? No, I don't want to do that right now. I cannot really do it quickly. I need to have a cluster first. I don't have a cluster or anything. Okay, how do I just need the part where they render the animation. How does that happen? Do I need to go into every file and check it out? Like, oh no, I don't want to build it. No. Stop. No Rust Analyzer, please. Please. Well, god damn it. I think it's just gonna build it some 500 dependencies. God damn it. Okay, maybe it's in dashboard. Um, you know what? Maybe it's best to just ask them how they do it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. They don't have a discussion place though. They don't have GitHub discussions enabled. That's kind of disappointing. They don't have discussions enabled, but I can search for discussions on GitHub. That's kind of weird. Do they have... No, I don't think I can just access that page, but anyways. What should I do? Actually, there's one issue on Ratatouille website that I can just reuse for this purpose. No, it was a PR because they wanted to add this app to the showcase. Did I say maybe too much? Okay, I'm just gonna ask them, right? There's nothing wrong with that. All right. Okay, so yesterday I worked on this little animation for my project. So it's like, you know, you have a list, and then when you scroll it kind of fades it a bit. And Josh suggests I cannot even speak. I suggests that I can add this to the website as a recipe. It's a good idea, so I'm just gonna create an issue for that. Give me a second. Okay, so add recipe for waiting list. It should be documentation, right? Because it's on the website, and it should be actually kind of good for newcomers. So yeah. Okay, created the issue. Let's see, what else do we have to do? I'm just going through my emails. Right, there's one project which I can right now build. Hold on, did I do something wrong? No, okay, so we're back. I'm gonna clear the screen, get a nicer view. I think I'm gonna build trace exec, this one. Also, I want to build Sime. I remember correctly, I don't need to put the all features flag in there. So yeah. There's also another PR on this project. Let's see. I think this was not super important, so it's fine to have it lingering. But yeah, I need to finish that one up one day. Alright, now this has been built. Let me actually install it and see if it works. So this package is about listing the USB devices. So when I run it, I just doxed myself again, but you know, just lists the USB stuff and like other buses, not the vehicle, but the like the nerd term bus devices, some shit like that, you know. So yeah, give me a good music. I think this is good to release, so I'm just gonna release it to the repos. It had one quite good backdoor in it, so it should be fine. But yeah, now building the other tool, and I got an email from, hold up, just get this PR. Let's see what it does. Alright, just something work in progress, I guess. I'm just browsing some PRs that I need to look at. So I don't know, just freestyling at this point. What is this? Update from Rust template? It's something very trivial. It's fine. All right, this has been built. Let's install it and see what it does. Trace exec. I don't remember how to run this actually. It should be some program, then I give the TUI, or like TUI and then program. Okay. All right. Just exit it with exit code 2. This music is like just melting my brain. Holy Spirit, where? Greet Santa Claus. Okay, Santa. I didn't know you were making music, but alright. Imagine Santa rapping. Oh, okay, I can just select something here. Alright, can I expand it or something? View. Alright. Oh, Santa is going hard with these tracks, boy. Alright, I think it's working fine, so I'm just gonna push it to the repos. There are also some issues on GitCliff. So there's this issue where building for ARM 64 architecture takes like more than 6 hours. So we decided to split the job, but then it still takes more than 6 hours. So now we're like, what do we do? Decided to like, or yeah, we were just discussing, but the idea was to remove the emulation, which was done by Kiemu. So I'm gonna basically remove that and just run it on macOS instead of Ubuntu, which is like, you know, native ARM support. So it should be fine-ish. Guess this can just removed. Okay. Let's commit the suggestion, right? Oh, wait. Okay. Actually, no. It will work because there's no emulation on macOS. That's right, and there's no emulation on the Linux because it's also native, so everything is native. So it should be fine. Let's see. If it works, I'm gonna be super happy because I really don't like having having one less image on the registry. I really want to have the ARM64 image there, so I kind of, I had to disable it because it doesn't build anymore, and people are like, what happened to the ARM image? Well, it's not there because it's not building. I mean, it takes more than 6 hours. And it's debugging that shit was crazy. Like you have one chance every 6 hours. Like you update something in a Docker file, it takes like 6 hours to build or fail. So what the hell? Yeah. What else do I have for today? I guess I can build another package now. There was one package called fblog. I don't know what, I don't even remember what this package was, but I kind of maintain it. I do the package updates at least, so yeah. If you're around, say hi. I'm not really liking the music. I'm gonna change it actually. I'm gonna change it to whatever I have on this music tab. I think it should be better. Right, this is on AUR because I don't know. I don't remember, but it's on AUR, so I need to run another command instead of release package. And if you wanna install my AUR packages, I have a separate repository for that. Let's go to my package builds. I think it's in here, and then you scroll down. Yeah, this is the URL. So I push every package to this repo. That's why, oh wow, I have a lot of packages. God damn. I was not expecting to see that much of packages. But that's why I have a separate script, and I just push the binaries to here. Make it available if you add this line to your pacman config. Actually, I'm curious about the size, because this just goes on forever. Like, look at this. What's the oldest one? Can I sort by date? Do I have packages from 2021? No, 2022 is the earliest, because that's the time that I became a package maintainer, and then I got access to this website. And yeah, and I have some other shit here too, like archconf slides. Oh, I'm actually curious about what I presented there. It's super short. I was kind of a beginner in terms of giving presentations back then, so. And also, like, look at the free node, because, you know, back then there was only free node. there was no Libera chat, so yeah. What is graveyard? Oh, there's one binary there which shouldn't be used. I got it from somewhere, I don't even remember where, but it's kind of a, it can have a backdoor. I don't know, maybe it has a backdoor, maybe don't use it. But yeah, my packages are in here basically, and also I want to check the size of those packages. If I go to, I think it was in repo. Hold on, am I running some cargo, some Rust analyzer thingy? Because I have a very high CPU usage. Okay, kill node processes. Who needs node running in their computer, right? In the background. So this is the repo. What's the total size? Let's run douche on it. 4 gigs. Actually, it's not that big, but we have a lot of stuff in there. So if I do basic counting, 4,000. So if you say that each package has just one signature file, it's right around, well, let's say there's like 3 files for one package, and then split, no, well, there's like signature and debug packages, so it should be around like, I don't know, 100, no, 1,100 packages or something in there. I don't know, I mean in total, but like individual packages, I mean, without versioning stuff. Maybe 1,000 or 500, I don't know, but there are like a lot of files in there for sure. So now that's being pushed, I'm gonna remove that from my version list, right? And this repo actually contains commits from other people who were maintaining some packages before me, so it's like 9 years old. And if you go to the first commit, it's kind of fun to take a look at, because it's a service called God. So the first package was just God. It's kind of a metaphorical thing, right? So yeah, that's basically how I maintain stuff. Alright, so this thing failed on macOS. Let's see what happened there. So no, I don't really, this is no longer relevant to our case because we kind of removed that step. But if we go into here, the Docker, where's the Docker one? Docker automated builds. Okay, this one is relevant. Why do we still set up Kemu for this? I thought we removed it, but actually let me check it on local. Because sometimes you miss some stuff on PR reviews. Maybe I'm still setting it up. I shouldn't be though, right? It's in Docker and Kemu. Oh, I still set it up, but what was the last commit then? It removed Kemu from line 100. Oh, I set it twice somewhere. Okay, I see. Okay, if I remove this here from here as well. Remove this here from here. What am I talking about, man? My English is sometimes weird. But yeah. Remove Kemu setup. Is this correct? Guess so. I guess so. Let's just push it. We're gonna see in 10 minutes or 5 minutes anyway, so it should be fine. But yeah, Docker stuff is sometimes very overwhelming, because building things is usually kind of hard to debug, so you have to rebuild and then see what's wrong. At some point in my life, I was maintaining PyCharm and IDEA as in, you know, IntelliJ IDEA for Arch Linux, and it was just a pain to build those packages, because if something goes wrong, you have to wait for 2 hours. And then you update the package build, and then you rebuild, and then you wait for 2 hours to see the error again. So it's like, you know, it takes so much time. And back then it was not possible to build multiple packages at the same time. So I need to allocate some time just to build fucking IDEA, like fucking PyCharm, man. Don't clip this, by the way, and send them to IntelliJ. I know some good people from IntelliJ. I was just kidding, guys, just for the sake of memes. Hey, you're looking happier than yesterday. Thank you. I don't know. Was I sad? Not sure. Mood, ego surfing on Ripology. Alright, so the problem is, guys, I didn't see the chat until now because like YouTube UI fucked up. Give me some context what you're doing. I don't know when did you say that, so right now I'm not really doing anything. What is PTK for process killing? What is matrix? Guys, what are those questions? I don't get it. Are you guys talking about, what are you guys talking about? GitHub adding Copilot to UI is hell. Yeah. I mean, I don't use it, but I can't wait. Can I discuss files here? That's weird. Okay, at least my YouTube chat is working now. That's cool. Oh, use matrix for building. Okay, got it. So, you know what? I'm gonna ask Copilot what is build matrix. So build matrix is like, so let's say you have one workflow, right? And you wanna reuse it by changing some parameters in there. For example, you wanna build or you wanna do something on Ubuntu and you wanna do the same thing on macOS. You just don't copy the same thing, same file, and then paste it and just change one line. Instead, you add this matrix thingy there. So strategy is matrix, and in there you can add whatever you want. Basically, I added like build, and then build has 2 options, right? So I built for Linux AMD, Linux ARM. Also, I changed the OS during these build processes, and then I can access this these values from here. So I can basically say matrix build OS, and then it will just replace this value, so that I can just, so this workflow runs twice because I have 2 values in there, and then it uses those values while running and so on. What does runs on do then? So yeah, runs on basically means this build step will run on first Ubuntu and then macOS. So it just, you know, 2 options there. Also, this fail fast thingy is kind of important too. This means that even if you fail one of those processes, you want to keep like continue, like you want to continue like building the other things, right? Well, I use matrix for building like primarily, but you can do more stuff. So I'm just talking in a sense that, you know, you can just use matrix for building, but no, you can just add more things and just have like different matrices and so on. Does it use VMs to provision those build steps? No, not really. It's just the GitHub runner. So GitHub Actions runners, runner images. So these are Ubuntu 22.04. It's basically an image that GitHub provides. Here you can see it, and then macOS 14 is also another image. And what I'm doing right now is I use these build matrices to update my Docker build workflow, because it takes a lot of time to build the image. So I was like, let's have a build matrix. So I'm gonna split building for ARM and AMD, right? So it's not gonna happen in one step. Instead, I have two jobs building at the same time. So it's kind of like a parallelization going on there, and that's how it is supposed to work, but it's not really working right now. The problem is I use emulation QEMU for building for ARM, and it's failing. It's failing because it takes more than 6 hours, basically. Why is it still trying to set up QEMU? I thought I removed it. Oh, I didn't push it? What? Rookie mistake. What? No, I pushed it. Remove QEMU setup. It's there. No? Checks. Commits. I'm gonna get back to your question, Jake. Hold on. Okay, this also failed. What the hell? Oh, build X. Okay, build X cannot connect. Okay. Oh. Interesting. I don't know what does that mean here. Why do you need QEMU to build for ARM? Isn't it enough to just cross compile? It's because GitHub does not support native, like it does not have native support for ARM runners, so you need some kind of emulation, and cross compile really does not work for Docker stuff, I guess. These are the related, no, not this one, but this one, no, wait, where is it? There was one issue that actually kind of goes into detail. Hold on. So there's this issue, right? GitHub posted ARM64 runners, and this was going on for a while. And they say, we will have this available soon, but it's not going to be free. So wait until the end of the year to get this thing for free. So it's gonna take some time, but yeah. So we need to use QEMU, unfortunately. I was Turkey for traveling. I'm thinking of coming there and have fun for a few days and relax from computers. It's really good. One of my friends actually traveled here last week, I think. He came from Sweden. Sweden is kind of cold these days, I guess, and he wanted to have very, very hot, or not super hot, but kind of warm place to chill on the beach and chill and have some detox time. You know what I mean, detox from computers, computer detox. So yeah, I would recommend checking out Antalya for your trip potentially. Antalya is a good place to chill. So yeah, go for it, I would say. And where are you from, by the way, Jake? What do you think about this Rust target? So, well, the thing is, I'm building this Docker file, right? And this Docker file is, I can probably add the target there, but it's going to build the binary for the target. What I'm trying to do is build the Docker image for that target, if that makes sense. So it's not about the binary itself. It's about the image, if that makes sense. And I guess those things are different in Docker world I mean, of course you can build a binary, right? But Docker image is different. Computer detox in some warmer countries much needed. Exactly, bro. What is the weather in Antalya right now? 27 degrees. Good enough. What is in Ankara right now? This is where I live, by the way. It's 22. It's kind of the same, but it's like Antalya is kind of warmer. And why one of my tabs is dark theme and the other one is light? I don't know. So yeah, definitely go for some vacation or something, Jake. I would highly recommend. So yeah, Docker stuff. All right. What else am I gonna do? After Mongolia, which big trip you're planning? I think either Kyrgyzstan or Kazakhstan would be nice, because those places are kind of in the same vibe as Mongolia, but a bit more developed. So will be kind of better, I think, kind of interesting as well. I don't want to like go to some known place. I want to like go to some obscure places and discover there, you know, and write a blog post about it. You like places in East quite a lot. Yeah, I mean, I've been to Europe. Europe is at this point feels pretty much the same. I mean, every country or every. I mean, bro, you can't really argue with this. In Netherlands, every street is the same. The fuck, right? It was just one example, but yeah, I know Europe is nice, but yeah, I want to discover East more. Like I want to go to Hong Kong. Actually, there's one conference which I really should buy the tickets for. Oh shit! Did I just miss the TFP for that? Oh my god. Hong Kong, Rust Asia. I think it was. Yeah, Rust Asia. Where's the CFP, bro? Did I just miss the CF? Oh, what the hell is going on? Submit a talk. When is it? December. Okay, I'm good. All right. Do you live off open source work, or do you have other employment as well? Right now, I don't have any employment. I'm just doing open source these days. When I'm bored, I read Alacrity comment to relax. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna submit a talk there. So this is a conference that I want to go to. So Bali, it's in Hong Kong. I never been there. I don't know what it's like to be there. I have no idea. So it's super exciting. But I should probably buy tickets right now or these days, because it's super expensive to go there. I mean, for me as a fun employed person, it's super expensive. But you know, I'm not really being sponsored for this. If I get selected for a talk, maybe I can get sponsored. But I don't have any talk ideas right now. I should probably come up with something. Also, Rust Nation is another one which I would like to go to. I hope I didn't miss the CFP. Did I? CFP is open, runs up to September 30. Oh shit, I have 3 days. Or 2 days. Alright guys, this is high priority right now. So let's submit a talk. CFP closes October. Okay. October is good. I can just do it next week then. Perfect. I'm gonna close this. Alright, so yeah, these two are on my list. I so badly go to Hong Kong. I mean, Hong Kong. Let's check. How far is it actually from my place? I don't want to dox myself right now. Oh shit, I just doxed myself. Guys, don't screenshot. Don't do anything, right? Okay. Hong Kong. I don't think I doxed myself, by the way. It was just a random place. But yeah. Directions from Ankara. Let's see. Come on your Ratatouille maintainer, go for it, or Ratatouille workshop. Yeah, that would be nice. But you know what? I feel like people might get bored from all of these Ratatouille workshops, talks, and everything. I feel like I should come up with something else these days. I don't know, something related to terminals and TUIs, but not like directly Ratatouille related. Maybe that would be kind of more interesting. Maybe sensitive topic, you don't have to answer if you don't feel like it. I'm reading the question, so I feel like I will answer. I feel like I have to answer now, but anyways, if you don't feel like it, of course. But how does it work income wise when you are an open source maintainer in your specific area of focus? It's not super good right now. I'm not making tons of money. It's not really enough for anything, to be honest. I just saved some money from my previous jobs and I'm just, using that. But I'm getting some sponsors these days, which is nice. Some companies sponsored me today. I still need to reach out to them about what they want to do, because they selected one of the high tiers, which has like some perks. So maybe they will want me to join their group chat or something, or do some promo for them. I don't know. But what I do is usually I just add their logo to my profile, like, I'm being sponsored by these companies or something, and then I just roll with it. I don't know. I still have to reach out to them. Dang it, almost saw your house. Man, you've been to my house. What do you mean? Well, if you know how to swim, you can easily come around, but if you don't, that's a problem, You think so, but then think about charm. People are not bored. By then we need more Ratatouille talks, especially workshop. It's a good point. Fair. Very fair. Thank you. I can probably just leak the company name, because I will share them on my socials anyways. It's this company, or I mean, I guess it's a company. So now they're my sponsor, right? Sponsoring me. Very awesome. And they're like malware analysis thingy, like they're building some stuff, I guess. And the reason why I think they sponsored me, because of Insider. This tool that I'm building right now. I really have to release a new version. By the way, give me a second. I'm gonna plug in my charger. I kind of spilled some water on my on this part of the charger. I hope it's fine though. We're gonna figure it out together. We're gonna learn if this works or not, or if it's gonna explode. We're gonna see some live action in a second. So stay tuned, guys. Sponsor me on GitHub for more stuff like this. We're doing some dangerous shit right now. If you have a company, sponsor me for one of the higher tiers. I really need that. Come on. No, they heard you talking a lot about backdoors on stream. They probably working on some backdoors. They're like, oh, this guy knows about backdoors. Let's sponsor him so that he helps us put some backdoor on our stuff, right? Okay, Malvation. Cool name. 8 out of 10. Logo. Okay, why am I ranking my sponsor? I don't want them to just quit on me, okay? They're 10 out of 10. Great people. I love them. Thanks for the sponsorship, guys. I know this guy actually, kinda. Alright, I'm gonna share their profile on my socials. Maybe I can do it right now, but anyways. Rust Asia. Talking about malware analysis, have you ever tried reversing a completely stripped Rust binary? What do you mean by reversing? Anything specific? Like, do you mean like disassembly or like tracing, whatever? I mean, I have tried while I'm working on Binsider, but you know, you don't have the symbols or anything when you strip the binary. But it depends on what you're trying to do, actually. Stripping takes fun out of binaries, yeah. Agreed. Did you had a talk with who? These guys? No, not yet. What is this? Sponsorship opportunities of $12,000 for Twitter. Okay, I'm not sponsoring Rust Asia. Why am I looking at this? But I want to go there so badly. Also, Rust Nation 2. I need to buy a ticket. How much is it? How much is it? Early bird. Wait, what? That's fucking expensive, bro. That's like more than I'm getting sponsored. What is that? 2 USD. $300 for 2 days. I don't know, guys. Statically analyzing with a disassembler and the compiler like IDE or GIDE. No, I haven't tried it. Should I? Shipping is one cargo toml entry away and is a go-to for malware devs. Yeah. Right. Alright, I'm gonna move this around here. Sorry, your search appears to be outside of your current coverage area for transit. What do you mean? I just want to go to freaking Hong Kong. Like, I'm not trying to go to Antalya or anything, or Mongolia. The fuck. Anyways, not only malware devs, of course, but if you want to make a program more of a pain in the ass, to reverse thermal streaming is absolute minimal step. Yeah, I know what you mean. I try to analyze a Rust binary which was built in release profile, and it was kind of, you know, nothing was in there. So yeah, I was like, what am I supposed to look at? There's nothing in there. What the hell? Right? So I'm trying to push in new release tomorrow or today. Not today though. I have a date. I have a Minecraft date, so not today, sadly, or yeah, not sadly, but it's not gonna happen today. I wrote a blog post and I actually created Discord for this project, which I'm just gonna send a link. Right. Oh, or maybe not. I don't know. Do you guys want to join the Discord or anything? Just let me know. For this project, it's not really active right now. There's just one guy and just me. We just hang around there. You have to supply strip true release binaries is this thing, yeah. And then if you turn off unwinding, then you have really hard binaries to take. Yeah, I think that's true. I wrote, as I said, I wrote a blog post, but there, like, one other thing that I want to include in there, which is this one. I don't know why deny is failing, actually. Hold on, let me look into it actually right now. While we're talking about binary stuff, maybe it's a good time to talk about security as well. So I'm gonna check out main, pull it. Do you guys both like malware analysis gurus or something? Like, I mean, I respect that. If you guys are, then help me out with the Binsider guys. Come on, I really need help. I have a really I don't want to say difficult, but really some issue that is puzzling me since yesterday. or since like, I don't know, for 2 days. This one. If you guys do Rust, and if you guys like work on binary analysis, take a look, please. I need help. Analyze binaries, but don't write Rust. That actually also works because I have, so in the blog post I will share a table of things that I want to do. If I can find it, hold on. So this is the table, and it's literally just a list of stuff that I want to do. And there's another table which is about researching. I'm not sure, for example, this one, right? Beamwalk and unblob tab. So this was a suggestion, and I don't know if it is possible. I need to research it and see if it's possible and see if it makes sense. So if you are like interested in doing some research for this type of stuff, it's also very helpful. I'm just taking a course in it right now and have followed the malware sees online for some time. Okay, game hacking scene. Game hacking is quite fun, man. I was doing like cheat engine stuff on Windows while I was in high school, and it was super fun. I was writing assembly scripts for enabling some hacks in some games and stuff like that. It was super fun. Tell my colleague and dox myself. It's introductory, so nothing special. I relate to the part where you said I don't want to dox myself. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and review my own PR, and then I'm gonna merge it. I think it's good. I cannot really approve my own PR, but yeah. Also, there was one issue with cargo deny. What was it again? Cargo deny, check all. I think there was one security thingy, right? There's one advisory. Okay, ATTY is unmaintained. Maintainer publish an official notice. What's the notice? This crate is no longer maintained. Okay, alright. So which crate is using that? ATTY, okay, lurk. Man, this lurk library is pain in the ass. Like every time something happens, it's always about lurk. So if I go to lurk now, I'm gonna stash it. I had some hello stuff going on there as well, so I'm gonna remove them. I don't think whether Rust is static link. I think it's statically linked between all Rust code, but things like libc and oslibs are dynamic, I believe, by default, and you can dynamically link Rust libs yet. I think that's yeah, that should be, so that should be how it works. Yeah. Also, we should probably look into what happens when you have Rust libraries which link to C stuff. Then in that case, it's not static, I guess. Or you know, if you use like muscle libc, it's always static, and that's why you can't really use like system libraries, because it's, in that case, it's not static or something. So yeah, exactly. libc is always dynamically linked. I don't know about Go though. I have no idea. So ATTY. Oh my god. Why does this thing still use ATTY? It's just for checking. Alright, I can probably replace that one. Ego enabled. I think I have that environment variable for some of my packages. Ego enabled. No, but I recognize it too. I don't know from where though. Yeah. Trust binaries are easy to distribute. So, so right now what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna remove this dependency from this project because it's not maintained. I'm gonna change it with Rust is terminal implementation, which is in the standard library now. So you can simply do something like instead of using ATTY, I can do some like IO std out is terminal, and it should return a boolean, right? Yep. So that should be enough to just replace it. Of course, you need to import stdio and also is terminal. Yep. And I can just remove the unmaintained library from here. And to test it out, I can run it with something and see if the colors are enabled. Yep, it works. So it was quite simple to just get rid of one of those advisories. I thought that it was already replaced, by the way. I remember I sent them a PR about this before. Hold on, I need to ping my Minecraft date. I'm running a bit late. I don't know, 20 minutes late. I'm just gonna text them. Yeah, cool thing about Fridays is that you can play Minecraft with people. Alright, so remove ATTY. Lurk is good, by the way, with colors. Yeah. Alright, so what was the commit format for this? I can just use chore. Remove unmaintained ATTY like dependency. Get a PR. Let's send them a PR, and also wanna. Why your streams are not 180p 1080? Something wrong on my end. No, I think something wrong on my end. I'm kind of streaming from my laptop, and the resolution might not be that high. Or maybe it's about the quality. I don't know. Do you mean the quality or the resolution? I don't know about the quality. I don't know about the resolution as well, to be honest. So I'm gonna add this advisory. here as well. Resolution. I'm not sure. I will check after the stream. Wait, I'm gonna actually do it from here. Oh, wait. I can't really decide what to put in the description. That's why I'm stalling a bit. But this should be good now. All right. So now cargo deny shouldn't complain after I update the dependency. I was about to merge this thing. I can't really approve my own PR, which is a shame. Come on, GitHub. What the hell? Okay, and I'm gonna go to the blog post and mention that as well, because I kind of didn't mention it in there. It should be in here, and also, yeah, I can preview that on the browser and show you what it looks like. I really need to send them a talk, by the way. Rust Nation and also Rust Asia. So I added a new section. Although maybe I should first pull the changes from main. 1 second. Git pull. I think it was 53. Oh, conflicts. Okay, start the website. And in the blog, you can now, you know, I have this blog section on the sidebar, and I basically mentioned how the project took off, and then I created this Discord. We have better platform support, better executable support, or whatever that's called. We have an X-Flake, better white team support, kind of style updates and fixed bugs. And also I will mention I'm looking for some contributors to fix on these things. Some of them are really easy, and it should be fairly simple to do. So gonna, you know, share this and see if people will be interested. And gonna mention a bit, you know, more of what I will be doing, and then gonna release it. But here I think I should also mention the Rust library thingy. Do you write Rust? Or maybe I should add something interesting there. Is a Rust library. If if you want to integrate it into your Ratatouille slash Ratatouille project dependencies section of Pinsider, I think we can add how many shared objects this binary depends on. Shared objects. So right now we show the libraries, right? What do you mean by shared objects? Can you give me an example? Show the list. I want number. Okay, I see. So that's a good idea. That's a good idea, actually. Yeah. Show the number of shared libraries. It should be fairly simple, so gonna be effort easy and good first issue. Right now we list the shared libraries in a binary, but we don't show how many. Sweat, smile. Describe a solution like show the index, show index total. Okay, so and additional context. Shout out to YZ Mon for the suggestion during live stream. There you go. Now it's an issue. I'm gonna add it to the list before. Easy feature. Oops, what did I copy? What happened to the music?
Canal 5, al servicio de la comunidad.
I kind of locked in for a second. Sorry guys. I was super focused on what I was doing. For some reason, I don't know. So now the documentation for that is complete and mentioned in the blog as well. Now one thing left, which is just finishing up this part, you know, the conclusion of the blog post, and basically just going to push this tomorrow, I think. So yeah, I hope that we'll get like some contributors into the project, because I really put some effort into triaging these issues, adding labels and so on. It looks very colorful right now. It's almost hard to read what the issue title says, but you know how it is. You gotta make it like structured, easier to understand and so on. So yeah, now that's pretty much done. I think I'm done for the stream. I have a date. I'm gonna go play Minecraft. So yeah, guys, it was a pleasure working on some bullshit with you, like doing some open source work, freestyling, answering questions, discussing some stuff. It was nice. I guess this will be it from me today. If you have anything to say, it is the right time right now. Otherwise, I'm gonna dip. Checking my messages. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate your existence. I cannot even speak, man. Well, so thanks for existing. This song just made me so emotional for some reason. I'm about to cry. You know, on this world, there are like million other things that you could do, but you kind of stayed in the stream, watch me bullshit around, do some stuff. So I really appreciate that deeply in my heart. I don't even know who you guys are. I don't know your background or where you're watching this from, but it really means the world to me. So yeah, I'm not gay, by the way. I don't know why I said that. Anyways, I wanna dip, go play some Minecraft. Really appreciate your existence, like I said, and I guess have a great great night, day, or whatever. Take it easy, everyone. Stay rusty. No, that's something else. That's a slogan for something else. I really need to come up with something. I don't know. Stay open. No, keep it open. No, that sounds. Ooh, that sounds super gay. All right. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.